The car guys at Moncton Chrysler Superstore are stocked up on spacious 7-seaters, and today we're taking a look at the certified pre-owned 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. The front end features halogen headlamps and premium fog lamps. Your body-colored bumper has dark inserts to match your black grille, and over that grille are stylish chrome bars. The Grand Caravan is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine. It's a 6-speed automatic front-wheel drive 7-seater that has 283 horsepower and sits on top of 17-inch alloy rims. Powered mirror, window, and lock controls are located on the driver door. Your driver's seat is powered for adjustments. It's a bucket-style seat that's covered in dark cloth and leather upholstery with bright stitching. Your leather-wrapped steering wheel is loaded up with convenience features. In the middle of your dash is a touchscreen display to access your entertainment features. Included is a free preview for Sirius XM satellite radio upon purchase. There's also GPS navigation, a hidden CD player, and an aux cord plug-in. Below your media options are your climate, econ, and traction controls. The second row seats are bucket-style seats that are stow-and-go ready and manually adjustable. The third row bench is a split-folding bench with room for 3. It's also stow-and-go ready. The back end of your Grand Caravan features chrome Dodge official badges and a powered liftgate. Behind that liftgate is a large cargo area, and you've got all the space you need for an active lifestyle, plus the back row of seats have grocery hooks to help you organize your groceries. If you need to expand your storage space, simply put your back bench into stow-and-go mode, and when you're ready to lock up shop, hit the button to the left and watch as that liftgate closes automatically. That powered liftgate also houses your backup camera. To use it, simply throw the Grand Caravan into reverse. The image will appear on your touchscreen display in real time with on-screen grid lines for proximity, making backing up easier than ever. Don't let this stylish 7-seater pass you by. Get your family into a safe, reliable, and fuel-efficient ride with enough room to fit any cargo or crew. Book an appointment to test drive the certified pre-owned 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT by calling 801-0026 or visiting us on the lot at Moncton Chrysler Superstore, where New Brunswick comes to save.